watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
Good morning. It's a DMV first warn day for the threat of some strong to severe thunderstorms later on today. Out there right now, though, starting to notice a few blips on the map across Frederick County, Maryland. So let's zoom on in and pause the map. Yeah, we have a few of those lighter rain showers at this point, even extending into far northernmost parts of Montgomery County, just north of North Germantown right now. Some heavier downpours just over the state line into Pennsylvania. We do even also have some stronger thunderstorms that are pushing across parts of Pennsylvania right now with that warm front lifting in. Also some stronger thunderstorms. Yeah, we're talking also severe weather down over across parts of Kentucky, southern Indiana, as well as Illinois, and even into north and westernmost parts of Tennessee. Watching that cold front back out towards our west, and that cold front eventually clears the area into tomorrow for us here locally. We're looking at that severe outlook for the day today from the Storm Prediction Center. A slight risk all across our area, certainly a higher threat back across parts of Kentucky today where they have that moderate threat, and that's a 4 out of 5 in the severe scale. Slight risk for us here today. That's 2 out of 5 on that severe scale. And we could see some pockets of heavier downpours associated with the strongest of those storms. So that excessive rainfall outlook, that's a marginal risk across much of our area, including the I-95 corridor and the Metro DC area. And marginal risk, that's 1 out of 4 on the excessive rainfall outlook scale. That severe outlook for tomorrow, still that slight risk, at least for the easternmost parts of the area, including the I-95 corridor, southern Maryland too. Back over towards the I-81 corridor and leading up to that I-95 corridor, we do have a marginal risk, so that's on the lower end of the scale the farther west you go. Temperatures right now starting off upper 60s to lower 70s as we're kickstarting your Friday morning. Very warm start. We're also noticing those dew points also feeling a bit more on the humid side. We're getting close to a 70-degree dew point, already noticing that in Leesburg. And when you're talking about those 70s in terms of the dew points, that's more of a tropical feel to the air. So we're getting there for much of the region. Also noticing some reduced visibility, especially with some fog, down about a mile in Culpeper, 4 miles in Fredericksburg. That's a little bit better than earlier this morning, or about 8 miles of visibility in DC. Now timing out the rest of your day today. By noon, we're looking at a mix of sun and clouds, winds picking up mainly out of the west-southwest. Then as we look ahead towards later on this afternoon into the early evening, looking at 4 p.m., some clusters of some thunderstorms starting to pop up right around that point. That's right around DC area as well. Then later on, closer towards sunset, still have some showers and storms around before eventually that slides out. Another batch of some stronger thunderstorms. This is overnight into early tomorrow morning. So this is the reason why we did make Saturday a DMV first warn day too, because we have that threat overnight into tomorrow morning, and eventually that will slide out. Then we have a cold front clearing the area. We should be remaining mainly dry later on tomorrow afternoon, although with that cold front there could be that stray shower or storm. But I think much of the activity tomorrow will be focused more so Saturday morning. So the next 3 days, today and tomorrow, highlighted in red for the threat of the strong to severe thunderstorms. Stay weather aware. It's going to be a hot one today though, mid upper 80s with that humidity too. Still quite humid out there tomorrow ahead of the cold front. Once that cold front clears the area, we're looking at Sunday being the pick of the weekend. Will be breezy but less humid, and high temperatures will be right around 80 degrees for the second half of the weekend. Now we are trending a little bit cooler as we look ahead towards that 8-day forecast. We're looking at temperatures next week. At least we start off the week into the upper 70s or middle 70s Tuesday, falling back to the lower 70s Wednesday, Thursday, and next Friday. We do have some thunderstorm chances though by the middle of the work week.